So here we are, and we've already left sugar and rhubarb, which has been cut into thumbnail lengths approximately, soaking in sugar, and the proportions are equal amounts of sugar and fruit. So if you had 1 kilo of sugar, you would add 1 kilo of fruit. There's about 3.5 times that amount here. And what you'd start off with is a stalk of rhubarb. You peel off the skin and cut off the leaves, which are apparently not only not edible but poisonous, and also cut off the stalk, which we've done. And then you can add some ginger, root ginger, which has to be finely grated, which I've already done quite a lot of, and it's in there. So that's your ginger. I sometimes even add some honey to the mix, which I have again done earlier. It's just a matter of choice on my part. It can supplement if you haven't got enough sugar in the house. The sugar you should use is jam sugar, but again, if you can't find what you should have, then you use what you have. And in this case, granulated sugar is what I've used. We're experiencing the third week of the coronavirus lockdown, and it's not always possible or safe to go and look for what you should technically use. So you use what you can, and you then put the fruit and sugar. You don't add any liquid. You don't add any water or anything, and you put it on a fast heat to boil quite vigorously for about 15 minutes. And if it isn't setting, you have to then add another few minutes, which we'll cover as we go along. But so it's rhubarb and some ginger. Now if you were to use a kilo of rhubarb, a kilo of sugar, then you would use 50 grams of grated root ginger, or those proportions. You can also add a zest of lemon if you happen to have such a thing, but it's not absolutely necessary. The idea of using the jam sugar is that it has pectin in it, and that helps it to set, and that's what you're trying to do. So we'll have a look and see how we're getting on after the 15 minutes as regards the setting and the fruit being cooked as well.